Today, I'm so blessed to be here and so grateful that Tyler invited me because I would have totally missed this event. I am grateful for a facilitator who created this environment of welcoming and for us to express how we feel about this room, about what it speaks to us. And I love the last part of this, which is talking about how to fill each other's cup, which I felt was brilliant because we don't do that enough. We don't speak, positive, loving things to each other. We're always put in a sense where you need to be professional in time. There's so much beauty and love that we do give to each other by just showing up and giving service and doing the best that we can for each other. So I was grateful for that. So thank you.
You have literally been one of the most supportive person that I've known throughout my GW careers. And we didn't even know each other when it first started. I remember walking into one of my very first rehearsals with the jazz Latin band. And I was supposed to be you guys' vocalist. And I didn't know what that means. And I didn't know that that meant that I had to be the leader of the group. And I was still stepping into my voice as a singer and figuring out how to jazz. And there you were at all points in time. You got it, you do it now. And then I remember you very specifically telling me, you're supposed to be leading this, right? And there was never a part of me that ever felt like if I invited Ty to this and Ty couldn't make it, that Ty just didn't want to be there. I always knew Ty is doing the thing that Ty needs to do. I always knew that. So don't feel for a second that you haven't been supported, because you genuinely have. You have, and everybody in this room who knows you can attest to that.